Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Fortnite Launch LS-0013. To get started, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Here, select the Epic Games process and then click on End Task. This will close all the processes. After this, in the search box enter %local app data %, select File folder. After, open the Epic Games Launcher folder and then the saved folder. Select the web cache folder and click Delete. Now from the search box, access Epic Games and you will see that it works without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.